Open a Canva project page and change your background color. Bring in your image and position your image like so. Add a heading and type in your text. Scroll down to see Type Studio. Choose this and let's choose this template. Scroll down so we can change our color to white. Now scroll down to see different warp effects and let's simply slide till we see our desired one. Choose this and then add to design. Delete the original text, then resize this one. Right click, choose layers and send back, then position your car like so. Go to text and add subheading. I already have the details of my car and I'm simply bringing them in one after the other, and here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, comment, like and share.